Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm preparing chicken pie. This is my flour, 3 cups of flour. This is my Irish potato, it's already been chopped, washed, and this is my 250 grams of butter, my shredded chicken. This chicken is already steamed rather, and this is my onion. Please join me as we go through the rest of the process. Thank you. My chicken pie sauce. So I'm adding vegetable oil. So I'm adding my chopped onion. So I'm adding my shredded chicken. So I'm adding my curry powder. So I'm adding my potato with water. So I'm adding my table salt and I allow it to boil. So the sauce is ready. I add my butter. I'm adding my 3 cups of flour. I'm going to mix everything together with my hands. 3 cups of flour, 250 grams of butter. So I'm mixing everything with my hands. Then I'm going to add 1 cup of water to it. So I have 1 cup of water, but I'll not put all at a time. I'm going to put bit by bit. So I'm mixing. I'll still add again. Remember, don't pour all at once. It's bit by bit. So this is the dough for the chicken pie is ready. So you allow it to stay for a while. So you roll it not too fat, not too thick. Okay. And you place the dough. You use your cutter. They have chicken cutter, but I'm going to use my kettle cover to cut it. So I've used my to cut it. So I'm removing the excess. So there is other shape of chicken pie I want to teach you how to do. You cut the edges to be equal. Make sure that the edges are equal. Edges is equal. The edges is equal. Okay, so you add your filling. You spread out. You use your fork. You do the same thing. So have you seen this shape of chicken pie? So you, you use your brush to brush them. So why am I using my fork to brush the egg on it? So my chicken pie is ready to be eaten.